Hello, first grade. It's Miss Evans back with you again to read the first story of your reading packet this week. It's called Snow Rollers. Before we get started, we're going to take some deep breaths. Remember that we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. When you breathe out through your mouth, pretend like you're fogging a mirror. It should sound like this. That helps calm down our brain so that we can be in our prefrontal cortex so that we're ready to learn. When we're in our amygdala, we're acting on our emotions and we can't make our best choices. We can't learn well. So we need our prefrontal cortex down so that we can learn and do our best thinking. 3 deep breaths. Remember that you're only breathing when the Huberman sphere is moving. Hold it. Nice job. Your brain should be calm and ready to learn. We're going to be on the page that says Listen and Learn, Finding Word Meanings. So go ahead and turn to that page. I'll give you a couple seconds. Remember that you should follow along with your finger. You can read along with me if you would like, or you can just listen and point to the words. Remember not to point like this because you might be going too slow, so move your finger along like that while I'm reading. When you hear a hard word, you can ask questions to figure out its meaning. Remember that when there's a word in gray, that's a new word. So we're learning how to find meanings of words today. Read the example, then ask the questions below. You can grow crops such as onions, lettuce, and carrots in a garden. What clues can I find in the words around the new word? So I'm going to look back at this sentence. What clues can I find in the words around the new word? I know that it said such as onions, lettuce, and carrots. So I know that those are types of crops. Those are examples. What do the pictures show about the word? Let me look at the picture. I see some plants and soil. What do I already know about the word or the topic? So, Miss Evans, I already know that crops are plants that grow in the ground. So that's something that I already know about the word. Does the meaning I find make sense in the sentence? So if I were to take out the word crops, if I took it out and I put in my meaning, if I put that in, would that make sense? So let's see. You can grow plants in the ground, such as onions, lettuce, and carrots in a garden. Does that make sense? Yeah. Finding the meanings of new words can help you understand what you read. Next page, it's called Snow Rollers. Look at those letter O's. That's so fun. What do you think those letter O's are made out of? I think they're made out of snow. I think they're made out of snow. The author is by Carly Summer. This is our first subtitle. Remember that a subtitle are the small titles within the story. So the first page has the title, that's the main title, and then the subtitles are the little titles in the story. What is a snow roller? It is made by wind. Wind lifts up a small piece of snow. It pushes the piece of snow along the ground. So I see that we have a new word. It's gray. It's lifts. I want you to pause the video and ask yourself the questions that we did above to figure out what the word lifts mean. When you're ready to keep reading, then you can play the video. All right, so the word lifts, what did you think it means? What words did you use? Or what did you use? Wind, small piece of snow, pushes the piece. So what do we think lifts means? You have to pick something up. The piece of snow rolls. More snow sticks to the rolling snow. The roll of snow gets bigger. It is a snow roller. Snow rollers need room to grow. What is this called? The caption. Nice. That is called the caption. The wind must be just right to make a big snow roller. A weak wind cannot push a lot of snow. A very strong wind breaks the snow roller into pieces. It falls apart. Again, I see a new word. It's gray. This word is weak. I want you to pause the video and ask those questions. What words around the word do you see that can help you find out the meaning? What does the picture show? Pause the video. When you're ready to keep reading, play it. The temperature must be just right, too. It cannot be too cold. Then snow gets dry. It does not stick together to make a snow roller. Snow rollers often go down hills in groups. Different shapes and sizes. Snow rollers can be different shapes. Some snow rollers look like donuts, and some look like rolls of toilet paper. Snow rollers can be different sizes. A weak wind cannot push a snow roller very far, so a weak wind makes small snow rollers. Some are the size of baseballs. A stronger wind can push a snow roller far, so a strong wind makes bigger snow rollers. Some are as big as the tires on a car. This snow roller is medium in size. Holes and no holes. Some snow rollers have a hole in the middle. Why? The wind blows snow out of the roller. The wind makes the snow roller hollow. Other snow rollers do not have a hole because the wind did not blow through them. These snow rollers are solid in the middle. This is a solid snow roller, and this is a hollow snow roller. A rare sight. People cannot make snow rollers. Only nature can make them, and the wind and the temperature must be just right. Snow rollers do not happen often. They are a rare and wonderful sight. Maybe you'll see a snow roller one day. Question number 1. What is the name for snow that is pushed into a ball by the wind? A snow grower. B, a snow roller. C, a snow sticker. Pause the video and go look in your story when you're ready to play the video. When you're ready to go to question 2, play the video. Question 2. Which word helps you understand the word temperature? A, strong. B, dry. Or C, cold. Pause the video, go look for that word in your story, and then come back and circle your answer. Question 3. How do snow rollers look different from each other? Complete the sentence. The pictures show that snow rollers are different. A, shapes. B, donuts. Or C, papers. Pause the video to go look in your story to find out how they're different, and then play it for question 4. Question 4. Which picture shows a snow roller made by a strong wind? A big snow roller. B, a medium snow roller. Or C, a small snow roller. Remember that it's really important to go look back in your story and not just guess or circle one just because you think you know. If you think you know, go back and find it in your story to make sure that you are right, and then circle it in your answer. Question 5. Look at what the word solid means. What does the word hollow mean? Choose the correct meaning. So solid means without spaces or holes. Hollow, what does that mean? A, strong in the middle. B, empty in the middle. Or C, sticky in the middle. Pause to find your answer. Then play for question 6. Last one, question 6. What important facts did you learn about snow rollers? Complete the sentences. To make a snow roller, the blank and the temperature must be just right. So the roll and the temperature must be just right, the snow and the temperature must be just right, or the wind and the temperature must be just right. Pause. Snow rollers are blank because they do not happen often. Snow rollers are hollow because they do not happen often. Snow rollers are rare because they do not happen often. Or snow rollers are big because they do not happen often. Circle your answer. Remember that whoever you are with who checks your reading packet, if they circle a question because you got it wrong, we don't give up. We want to fix it, fix our mistakes so that our brain can get smarter. So you got it.